Unleash your subconscious mind power. If you wish to learn the true art of mind power, then it is of the greatest importance you understand two functions of your mind, and likewise how they engage with each other. You only possess one mind, but it has two absolutely various functions, and the names normally used to distinguish these two various functions are as follows. 1. The conscious mind. 2. The subconscious mind. There are many other terms used. However, the two noted above are the ones used most to represent the two main functions of your mind. To help us better comprehend the conscious and subconscious mind, they might be compared to a tree and its roots. Your conscious mind being the tree, which helps you with daily situations like decision-making, rational thinking, or just simply figuring out what to do and how best to do it. The mind of which we are completely conscious when we think of me, we believe of our mindful mind. This part of the mind makes decisions for us and directs our activities. It likewise evaluates, criticizes, and even commands us. Your subconscious mind being the roots, it deals primarily with the repetitions of learned behavior. This can be really handy for you, as it allows you to handle situations much more quickly the next time they occur. Whatever we see, hear, smell, taste, feel or touch travels through the mindful mind and reaches the subconscious mind where it is saved. When you have learned how finest to deal with the circumstance, you discover it much easier the next time around. This is because you are utilizing details which is currently kept. For instance, as soon as you have discovered to ride a bike, you do not have to knowingly think of it anymore. This is since the stored information will come to you immediately the next time you get on your bike to ride it. Just as if you were to learn where each letter on your keyboard is, you can now type without looking, since you have formed a mental picture in your subconscious mind of what the keyboard actually looks like. The above are only two instances of how the subconscious mind stores up relations of discovered behavior, and we make sure you would be able to discover a lot more examples of this in your everyday life. Details from the mindful mind surpasses into the subconscious mind, and there is a really strong link in between the two. It is stated that everything you have ever seen, heard and experienced is perceived by your conscious mind, and then kept away into your subconscious mind as a memory. Not only is this memory kept as the incident itself, however also any sensations which went with it at the time are also saved. Your subconscious mind does not only store your memories and sensations. It is the maker of all the great ideas you have ever had, and is likewise the seed of your instinct and creativity. Your subconscious also keeps you going without you even understanding it. It looks after your bodily functions, your heartbeat, and automatically runs such activities as movement, language, visual understanding, and an entire host of other procedures of your mind and body for you. It also scans your mind for dispute and distress, examines your environment for threat and hazards, and relays and translates understandings, sensations, and sensation. Lastly, it is likewise the storehouse of all your experience and choices, whatever that makes you the individual you are.